Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Edge 70 Fusion, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first, open your camera app. Now, once you're in photo mode or in portrait mode, you will notice here in the middle of the screen timer icon, and in photo mode you have to enroll more options to see the timer. So once you mark the timer icon, then pick 3 or 10 seconds delay, and then just grab a photo with selected delay. And that's it. Whenever you want to turn off the timer, just mark it again and pick off. So that's it. Okay, I didn't switch it off, I guess. Yep, so now you can just grab a photo with no delay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.